Hi, my name is Damien and welcome to CTM. I am the privilege to be your CTM product expert today, and if you're looking for a laminated flooring, then this is the place for you. So if you're looking for a fashionable grey one and something that's going to stand out, then come have a look. This is the laminated flooring for you. It's called the grey oak. As you can see, there is so much detail within this particular laminated flooring, with swirls, with the loops, with even lines, to bring the realistic features within this laminated flooring and to make it look like it's a wooden product. And this laminated flooring is perfect for the climate of South Africa. If you're looking for something cool in summer or warm in winter, our range is just for you. Remember, the laminate board, you need an underlay. And if you need something a little bit more warm to heat the laminate flooring up, you can use underfloor heating and it will warm your product up. So, if this laminate is just for you and you want to create your forever home, so come to ctm.co.za and come to our website. And if you do not know how many square meters you need, please use our tile calculator and we will calculate the square meters just for you. And all you need to do is add it to your cart and we will get this dream laminate to your doorstep. Thank you.